Hi guys, welcome again. Welcome to Weltec QC. Today we are going to discuss about SMAW. SMAW is the American Welding Society's terminology, AWS terminology. This process is also known as stick welding or MMAW, that is manual metal arc welding. Sheet-drilled metal arc welding principles. Let us see how it works. The electric arc between the electrode and work, that is this. This is the electric arc here. Melts the electrode and fuses the joint. This way it fuses the joint. And weld metal and slag forms. As a result, it forms weld metal and slag. That is here, the weld metal and the slag. Since slag is lighter than the molten metal, it rises to the top. This is the slag, and while electrode fuses or electrode consumes, along with the weld metal, the slag parts, since it is lighter than the molten metal, it rises to the top and remains on top to protect the weld metal. Here it is a much better view. Arc, base metal, weld metal. Here, this is weld metal and slag, solidified slag. This is the flux coating on the electrode. The inside is the core metal rod, metallic rod. And while the electrode gets consumed or it gets fused, the shielding gas also generates which protect the weld metal. This is an SMAW being trained in our institute. Some objects also, let us see, being welded at sites using arc welding process, that is SMAW. Let us see some of the SMAW equipments. There are 4 or 5 different types of equipments for different purposes. For heavy duty, it is always recommended to use a rectifier. This one is a welding rectifier, and this is inverter based one. You can save energy, that is electricity, and the equipments will be lighter. This is the older versions of SMAW equipment, AC machines, or these are transformers actually. And this is run by fuel, that is diesel engine. You can take to any sites for welding. And this is the welding generator, motor generator. Okay, these are the holder, earth clamp or ground clamp or work clamp. It is known as work clamp, or in India especially it is generally known as earth clamp. The welding holder with welding cable, protective welding shield, welding helmet, is known as welding helmet also, hand gloves, apron, chipping hammer. Chipping hammer is to clean these slacks. Safety is very important, so always adhere to safety norms of the companies wherever you are working. Let us see the SMAW electrodes. SMAW electrodes is the most important part of this SMAW process. Okay, most of the welders or those who are involved with the welding may not be that much careful about the electrodes. Okay, may not be knowing also about the electrode, but each and every category of electrodes are having a lot of purposes and meaning. So I will be releasing a video later only on SMAW electrodes, because it's a good subject to learn. SMAW electrode has got some electrode identification system of the SMAW electrode. Okay. So, okay friends, since the video is a bit longer, we will be continuing with our next part on SMAW immediately with the very next video. So, we will see you with our next video. That will be about MIG welding, GMAW. Until then, goodbye. See you.